Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a storm creature effect on Higgsfield AI. So let me show you what the storm creature effect looks like. Now that is massive. Great. So all you have to do to create something similar to this, especially if you want to create it for your cinematic VFX effects or video, is to go to higgsfield.ai. And in case you're wondering what Higgsfield.ai is, it is an AI hub for the best VFX effects, image, product, videos, all you can name. Higgsfield has it. So to create this kind of effect, all you have to do is to go to Higgsfield.ai, select apps, scroll and choose Storm Creature. You'll be brought to a page like this where you have to upload your image. Now you can see the original image uploaded by this, but this was the original image uploaded, and we can see the video that was created using this image. I mean, this is really dope. So all you have to do now is to just check the click on generate video, and your video will be generated within 15 to 20 seconds after clicking on it. Not 15 to 20 minutes rather, not seconds. So we can see here it says 26 credits, while some other video effects may require lower credits. This one in particular takes about 26 credits, but not to worry, because even if you use, whether you use free account or the paid account, Higgsfield allows you to create at least one cool effects per day, whether even if you're using your free account. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to our channel.